Hello there, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to episode 2 of Meet Mercedes Digital, a new communication format delivering product and business news in an all-digital format. Here with me today is Head of Global Product and Technology Communication for Mercedes-Benz Cars. Welcome, Kurt Grünewald.
Thank you very much.
Kurt, how are you doing today?
Actually, quite well.
I'm glad to hear that. Tell us, what is this episode going to be all about?
Today, the whole episode is about a new E-Classe. The whole family gets a new update in 2020, a huge update. And early this year already we launched the E-Classe sedan, the wagon and the all-terrain. And now the sun is coming out again, the weather is becoming more beautiful. So it's time to get 2 new family members out there as well. And I'm talking about the new Mercedes-Benz and Mercedes-AMG Coupe and Cabriolet.
Wonderful. So those are the 2 that we are seeing on the road today, right, Kurt?
Exactly. And a good point. We thought those cars are so nice, they need to be driven outside. So we don't show them here in the studio, but we took them outside in Immendingen. And we have colleagues to mention all the details there because it's a lot to talk about. It's not only beauty there, it's a lot of innovation where the E-Classe traditionally stands for.
And now we are very eager to see some of those pictures. So why don't we get straight to it? Ladies and gentlemen, here they come. Let's check out the new E-Classe Cabriolet and E53 4MATIC Plus Coupe.
Hi, my name is Andrea Ruland and I'm the product manager of the E-Classe Cabriolet and Coupe.
And I'm Camilla Brodner and I'm responsible for the product management at AMG. And today we are here to tell you a little about some of the most emotional cars of the E-Classe family.
Specifically, the E-Classe Cabriolet and the E53 4MATIC Plus from Mercedes-AMG. Both stand for absolute driving pleasure with the looks to match.
So, what are we waiting for?
Now you're talking, Camilla. Let's take them for a spin. Here we are in the new E-Classe Cabriolet. Definitely one of the most comfortable cabriolets on the market right now. With its top down, it's as comfortable as it is closed, especially if you have the air cap feature. But it doesn't have to be quiet and calm if you don't want it to be. Just put down your foot and feel the kick of the EQ boost that puts you back in your seat. This Mercedes has a 4-cylinder diesel engine with integrated starter generator, so-called ISG. This means pure driving pleasure and efficiency. All E-Classe models have the new capacitive steering wheel. It looks super stylish, but most importantly, it has seamless control surfaces and a 2-zone sensor mat inside for the first time. This enables semi-autonomous driving functions.
The E53 Coupe has also the EQ boost, and that means that the electric auxiliary compressor is supported by the ISG, the integrated starter generator, which builds up a really high pressure without any delay. And the outcome is a faster increase in torque for acceleration. And you can see that also in the facts. From 0 to 100 in 4.4 seconds. When it comes to the infotainment system, the E-Classe model comes with the latest MBUX system. So you can switch between different display styles and also adjust AMG-specific display settings. When it comes to the steering wheel, we have our AMG-specific steering wheel buttons where you can also make some driving settings. So, for example, you can switch the different driving features with our AMG Dynamic Select or the AMG Dynamics. If you want to have a more spirited drive today, what are you looking for? High agility, neutral cornering behavior, and optimum traction. Good news! We have the AMG SpeedShift TCT9G transmission on board, and together with our AMG Ride Control Plus and our 4MATIC Plus all-wheel drive system, a dynamic ride is guaranteed. And if you now want to go a step further, you can choose our AMG Dynamic Plus package, which is available for the first time in an AMG E-Classe Coupe. With it, you get the race driving program and the drift mode.
Wow, impressive. What can we tell more about our dream cars?
I think that says it all, and the E-Classe family speaks for itself while driving or even parked.
With you behind the wheel, it shouts out loud. So, which one shall we try next?
Well, I think I know which one.
All right, Kurt, thank you so much for that lovely first impression of the new models and that EQ boost feature. That must come in very handy when it comes to passing lanes, right?
Well, actually, it doesn't only sound nice. The EQ boost function actually is a major part in our electrification strategy.
Give me a refresher on that, please.
Yeah, I'm talking about 3 lanes. The first lane is this 48-volt system with EQ boost. We combine it with the combustion engines, and it's actually a major increase in fuel efficiency for the vehicles.
What about the other 2 lanes of the 3?
The other 2 ones are the EQ power. I'm talking about the plug-in hybrids. Talking about a whole range of E-Classe to until GLE with increasing ranges of electric range. And the GLE, you're already talking about 100 kilometers, so a very important part, a very major lane in our strategy. But the third one actually is the EQ models, the battery electric vehicles. We have the EQC already on the market, the smart EQs. We have the EQV coming up in a couple of weeks. And last but not least, the EQA, EQB, EQS, so many more models up front in the next months and years.
That's very exciting. So many more to come. Thank you so much for that insight, Kurt. But ladies and gentlemen, that's all the time we do have for today. I look forward to seeing you next time. And Kurt, thank you once more for your time.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Bye.